Hello guys, it is StormCaster. Thursday, August 6th, 2015, 12 a.m. And this will be an updated weather forecast. I just want to point this out very quick. Flash flood watch is in effect for extreme southern portions of Indiana, Illinois, Missouri, and much of Kentucky, as you can expect heavy precipitation across the watch area. 1 to 3 inches of rain, possibly 4 inches of rain in isolated spots. And there's even a flash flood warning for the St. Louis area, but I'm not gonna cover on this one. This would just be a weather forecast update. So let's get this forecast started. Hazardous weather outlook for all of central Indiana, as chance of precipitation, it will be 50%, especially for west central Indiana. As for places like Indianapolis, Muncie, Kokomo, chance of precipitation, my best bet is at least 30 to 40%. A much higher chance of precipitation for west central Indiana, as light to moderate showers are moving northwest. Overnight, 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms with lows in the 60s, highs in the 70s on Thursday. Chance of precipitation at 50%. Thursday night, partly cloudy, lows in the upper 50s, and Friday mostly sunny with highs in the 80s. A pleasant day on Friday and Saturday, as highs will be in the 80s Friday and Saturday, and lows on Friday night will be in the 60s. Saturday night, mostly cloudy with lows in the upper 60s, and rain chances will move back in on Sunday and Sunday night. Sunday, a 30% chance of thunderstorms with highs in the low to mid 80s, and a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms on Sunday night. Lows in the upper 60s at this time. No severe weather is expected for Sunday and Sunday night. No severe weather expected overnight tonight and Thursday. Basically, a general risk for much of Indiana tomorrow. The main concerns on Thursday will just be mainly brief heavy rain, some thunder, some lightning, maybe a little bit of gusty wind or two. Very extremely low chance of hail. But I do not expect to see any type of hail to fall, but still, it's very small chance of that hail could fall anywhere across central Indiana. General risk of thunderstorms for much of Indiana tonight and tomorrow in the southeast. Marginal risk of severe weather. The main threats will be damaging winds, isolated hail, lightning, brief heavy rainfall, and very low chance of a tornado, and a good chunk of the northern Great Plains and northern Midwest are under a marginal risk, and small parts of Iowa, Minnesota, and South Dakota and Nebraska have the better chance of seeing severe weather tomorrow. Maybe a few isolated intense storms tomorrow for the area shaded in yellow. Yeah, if you live in the slight risk area, you have the better chance of seeing severe weather than people that are under the marginal risk. The main severe weather concern for tomorrow would be mainly in the northern Great Plains and upper Midwest than the Southeast. I will not forget the Southeast because the few isolated severe thunderstorms could pop up anywhere in the marginal risk area. And more numerous thunderstorm activity within the marginal risk area and the slight risk area. Will it be a severe weather outbreak on Thursday? I do not think so. A low chance of a tornado. Like I said, the main threats that you can see from these storms on Thursday will be damaging winds, lightning, some large hail, brief heavy rainfall, and a very, very low chance of a isolated tornado. A tornado can't be ruled out. Tornadoes are possible with any type of severe thunderstorm. So if a watch or warning is issued for your area, obviously take those watches and warnings seriously. If the weather gets bad enough, head for shelter. If your home doesn't have a basement, go to the most center part of your home. Put many walls between you and the outside as possibly can. For those of you that live in Illinois and Wisconsin and Indiana, no severe weather expected at all. Mainly just a typical thunderstorms, just typical summertime thunderstorms, nothing too serious. I would not expect any outbreaks of severe weather. Maybe some brief heavy rain, some gusty winds, lightning and thunder, and a very, very extremely low chance of hail. So before I close this video, I'll show you the radar depiction, the current radar depiction, and the future radar depiction. And I don't know what happened there. So I'll get right to that, and thought I had something to say. I guess I didn't. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the current radar depiction and the future radar depiction for tonight and Thursday. As you see on the current radar depiction, a fat blob of a huge blob of rain, I should put it, in Illinois, and some light rain showers in east central Indiana. isolated pockets of moderate showers. The rain is mainly moving northwest. And put the radar into motion. You can almost notice that the rain in the heaviest rain. You can notice that there's a spin to it. That's because there's an area of low pressure out to the west of Indiana. That's what's sparking showers and thunderstorms in Illinois, and that's what's going to be causing the potential flooding threat for extreme southern portions of Indiana and much of Kentucky. I can zoom out on the radar, give you a bigger picture of the rain. The showers and thunderstorms will really begin to fill in Kentucky and southern Indiana and central Indiana tonight and tomorrow. Well, not all of central Indiana will see rain tonight, but I think that tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon have the better chance of showers and thunderstorms tomorrow. Central Indiana is not under a flash flood watch, thank God. So extreme southern portions of Indiana is under a flash flood watch, as you can see rainfall accumulations of possibly 1 to 3 inches, possibly 4 inches of rain in the heaviest of rain. And let's go to the future radar depiction. And by 11:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time in Kentucky, heavy showers and thunderstorms will be moving through extreme southern portions of Indiana and Illinois. My throat's getting dry. 3:33 a.m. Central Daylight Time. A lot of shower and thunderstorm activity in Kentucky and Indiana. You notice that there's a little spin. Do you remember when I was talking about that showers and thunderstorms will start to fill in into Kentucky? Looky there, look how it looks like that eastern Kentucky could get inundated with heavy showers and thunderstorms. It looks like that Indianapolis will only see maybe an isolated heavy shower, but most likely a light to moderate shower. Showers and thunderstorms will become more numerous across central Indiana, mainly early tonight and Thursday morning, and rain chances will start to move out in the afternoon and evening hours of Thursday. The rain, the showers and thunderstorms will start to move out of Kentucky, I'd say about around 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time tomorrow, Thursday, and the rain and storms will start to move out of Indiana about, I say I would say about around the 6:30 time frame on Thursday. So that will be about it, and I'll have more updates as soon as I can.